Imagine it's midnight, the air is calm, people are sleeping peacefully, and suddenly within seconds the temperature rises by 10 to 15 degrees. Hot dry winds start blowing, and it feels like a blast of heat hit your city. Sounds scary, right? Social media is calling this a heat burst attack. But in Pakistan, really in dangerous this summer? Or is this just another viral fear? Let's uncover the truth. Let's understand the science behind heat burst. A heat burst is a real weather phenomenon. It usually happens at night during thunderstorm. A thunderstorm high in the sky. When thunderstorms start to be weakened, rain start falling but it evaporates before reaching the ground. This increases a cool air pocket, or this cool air rapidly fall toward the ground. As it fall, it creates pressure. Because of this pressure, it gets compressed and suddenly became hot and dry. A sudden blast of hot air hit the surface. This can cause rapid temperature rise, strong dry wind, sudden drop in humidity. But here the important part, this is rare and usually localized. Now you think, has it happened before? Yes, heat bursts have been recorded in different parts of the world. But these events are short-lived, limited to small area, not widespread disaster. So it is not something that covers an entire country. Let's come to the main question. Is Pakistan at risk? Pakistan already experienced extreme heat wave, strong thunderstorm, dry weather in many regions. So technically yes, this condition can allow a heat burst. But here the reality, there is no official warning from the Pakistan Meteorological Department about any large-scale heat burst threat. And remember, a heat burst is not something that attack a country. It is small, natural and rare weather event. Let's try to understand social media versus reality. Social media often exaggerate things. Some posts claim the heat burst will hit Pakistan suddenly. Temperature will rise 15 degrees in second everywhere. This is misleading. Heat bursts don't affect entire country, don't last long, don't happen everywhere at once. These viral posts are designed to create fear and attention. So before believing such claim, always check trusted sources. So in Pakistan, real danger is heat wave, not heat burst. Instead of worrying about real heat burst, Pakistan real challenge is heat wave. In recent years, cities like Karachi, Lahore, Multan have faced extremely high temperature. Heat waves are more common, more dangerous, long lasting. They can cause dehydration, heat stroke, serious health risks. So this is what we should focus on. How we stay safe this summer. Whether it is heat wave or a rare weather event, you should stay prepared. Simple safe tip: drink plenty of water, avoid going outside in peak heat time, wear light and cool cloth, keep your home cool, check on children and elderly persons, and most important, stay updated with official weather reports. At the end, if you think is Pakistan under threat of heat burst attack, definitely no. Heat bursts are real, but rare, short, localized. There is no need to panic. The real concern is rising temperature and heat wave. Stay informed, stay calm, and stay safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share with others because knowledge is power and awareness can save lives.